Okay. An edit cut. Okay, these are 45 head bolts. And we also got some lifter blocks down here, it looks like. So these are aluminum headed bolts, because they're a little bit longer than cast iron ones. These are the triangle shaped washer instead of the big fat ones that they're normally use. The military bikes had the big fat ones on it. These are post-war probably. So they got the curve to them. A whole bunch of these, obviously. And then we have one top motor mount spacer. And that takes a bolt that's longer than this because there's no room. So, and that bolt is not, it only has a regular hex on it like that. It doesn't have this tall hex to it. The cast iron motors usually had the low profile also until 51 and later. Then they went to a long bolt, long head like this. Not quite this long as I recall, but they were definitely shorter on the bottom. So this is for your 45 top motor mount. There's two of these. One about went from one cylinder to the other. So that's your head bolt. Oh, there's the head bolt. There's the wash. There's the long bolt right there. Bingo. So that goes through that. And you're going to need a washer. So that goes through that. Top motor mount was right here. Camera's too low. Top motor mount going right through here. This went through that. Usually I put another washer underneath that one. So you got the motor mounts between two washers. This goes against the head, so it's a big area. And it pulls it down tight. Simple. All the other bolts on the head are like this one. They're all the same length, same height, all the way around. Now when you had the WLA head on it, the number 5 head, it was longer because the head was thicker. When you had the number 5 head, I think, or 6 head, what was it? 6 head, I think, is a high compression. It was about at least an 1/8 inch to 3/16 thinner. They just milled the piss out of the head. And that had the high compression head. So the bolt had to get shorter because it bottomed out. So, and these look like the high compression bolts. They look kind of short. The military ones I think are like 2 inches long. This is not 2 inches. I can tell by looking at it. So there you go. Those are the head bolts. And these here are lifter blocks. And these are not 45. Alright, so this would be for your WL motors, which is 37 to 52 solo. Alright, those are those. I'll be back.